What is genetics? Genetics is a branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation. And genetics helps us to understand why we look like our parents, but are actually not exact copies of them. Heredity explains how characters are passed from parent to offspring, while variation refers to the slight differences that exist in the same character among individuals of the same species. Basic terminologies in genetics. 1. Nucleotides. Nucleotides are the building blocks of our DNA. Each nucleotide is made up of a pentose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The sugar and the phosphate group serve as the backbone of DNA, and the nitrogenous bases found in DNA are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. 2. DNA and genes. DNA is a long double helix molecule made up of sequences of nucleotides twisted around each other. The adenine of one polynucleotide pairs up with the thymine of the other strand of polynucleotide. In a pairing, cytosine pairs up with guanine of the other strand, while adenine pairs with thymine of the other strand. Genes, on the other hand, are specific sequences of nucleotides within a DNA molecule that codes for protein. 3. Chromosome. Think of chromosomes as organized bundles of DNA, ensuring that the genetic information is accurately distributed during cell division. Chromosomes are long thread-like structures made of DNA and proteins called histones. The DNA is coiled around 8 histones to form nucleosomes, and the nucleosomes are further organized to form chromatin. Chromatin are further compacted to form chromosomes prior to cell division. The complete set of genetic material in an organism, however, is the genome of the organism. 4. Gene and alleles. Genes are distinct units of heredity located on a chromosome that are responsible for all characters possessed by an organism, while allele is one of 2 or more alternative forms of a gene for alternative form of a character. Character and traits. Character refers to a particular feature of an organism that can be expressed in 2 or more alternative forms. A trait, however, is one of the alternative forms of a character. Examples: skin color is a character which has alternative forms or traits such as fair and dark. Height as a character has traits tall and short. Eye color has traits such as blue eyes, black eyes, or brown eyes. Genotype and phenotype. Genotype refers to the total set of genes of an organism, the genetic makeup of the organism, while phenotype is the outward expression of the genotype. Phenotype is also the product of the interaction between the environmental factors and the genotype of an organism. For example, 2 plants with the same genotype for height might grow to different heights if one receives more sunlight and nutrients than the other, and the same is true for humans or animals. Understanding these basic concepts in genetics, from nucleotides and DNA to genes, chromosomes, alleles, characters, traits, genotype, and phenotype, lays the foundation for exploring more complex topics in heredity and genetics.